Hey folks, Blackcross here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. So in the last episode, we got through Metropolis City, or I think that's what it's Kawar. It's Metropolis City, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, or rather a reimagine of it. But we got through it, and we are now officially a Galactic Ranger, or Ratchet is, not us in particular. Ratchet is. He has finally achieved his lifelong dream, or in this game's case, the length of the game's lifelong dream, not the original. But anyway, we're going to go on to the next planet now. I think we're going to go to Blackwater City.
Which planet should we go to? There is still an important gadget.
Yeah, the Hoverboard event. And then we'll go over there. So, let's go. It's been about a week for me, and to be honest, this week, it's been a long week. Like, it feels like it's been like 3 weeks since I've last recorded. Because, in case you guys don't know, I don't record until it's my day off. That way, you know, I'm able to have time to keep recording. I'm not always in a rush, and I can just concentrate on... Well, that can't be good. But, oh, the Groovatron. I could use that. Oh, the pixelizer.
The race is postponed. Please stay inside your homes while we manage the crisis. Thank you.
Oh, well.
Let's clear out those amoeboids. I have a new McMark's hoverboard I want to try out.
But, there we go.
And exterminate all unauthorized organisms. Rodent-type organism detected. Exterminate.
I can... Okay, there we go. Dadgum, these people just don't know when to shut up. Gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna go on ahead and just kind of turn this down to where I don't get interrupted as much. But anyway, though, yeah, this week has been like a long week. It feels like it's been 3 weeks since I've last recorded, and you know, the only reason why I do that is so that way I can save all my recording time on the days that I'm off, and then that way... Oh! Why did I smash that? But anyway, I do it so that way I would have, you know, kind of like plenty of time to be able to, I'm trying to think of words and they're not coming to me quick enough. Wait, what's shooting? There. Everything's trying to kill me. But anyway, as I'm trying to say, before I keep getting interrupted here, I think I've just switched to the Pyrocitor. It seems to help me out more. There we go. There we go. Okay. But anyway, as I was trying to say, gosh, these people just don't know when to keep quiet for a few moments. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down a lot more. There, gosh, alrighty. So anyway, though, I'm gonna turn it up for like certain moments. Oh. There we go. Okay. But anyway, I only record on my days off, mostly because of the fact that that way I'll have plenty of time. That way I am physically and mentally able to think. I don't have to be in a rush. I don't have to worry about being in a time limit. And I am always able to make good content for you guys. Dadgum, how is that so hard to say a sentence? Apparently really hard. But anyway though, yeah, that's basically, why I do what I do. But, yeah, it's been... Oh, Mr. Songkong leveled up. But it's been a while for me for recording. I would love to record... God, my allergies. Everything is trying to prevent me from talking. The game, my allergies, dadgum. People, let me have a moment with the people here. Uh-oh. There we go. That wasn't good. I was about to say, it's like, I am running out of ammo relatively quickly. For some odd reason. But, yeah. And if that's not the case, a lot of people are, like, telling me to get certain games that have just been, released. In fact, PlayStation Plus just, well, not PlayStation Plus in particular, but, Sony had released a number of games that, I'll just get the Groovitron. Alrighty. But anyway, there we go. Okay, but a lot of people, a lot of my friends were telling me about some of the games they had ordered that Sony had deals with. Like, I think it was Rogue Legacy is one of them. Yeah, Rogue Legacy was one of them. Okay, that tank is dancing. That tank was dancing. That... What in the fuck? Okay, can I destroy the thing? Yes, I can, apparently. Alrighty. This place got a little crazy all of a sudden on me. Wait. I didn't push that. Did I? Oh well. At any rate, though. And some of the ones I've been wanting, like, I think it was Don't Starve, I was wanting to get that. So I decided to get it, and then Rogue Legacy. So, I may play Don't Starve for you guys, I don't know. It just... I've been trying to get games, slowly. And they're mostly games that I've been wanting to get for a while. But, you know, a lot of my friends are actually telling me to get Doom. And I'm not saying Doom's bad. It just, at the moment, it doesn't pique my interest. That's all I'm saying. And then there's like a bunch of my friends that are saying, oh, you gotta get Uncharted 4. And, whoa, hey, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, let's continue the fire raid. Okay. But anyway, I mean, I've got a lot of people telling me to get certain games, and the problem is that, number one, I don't have enough money, because I'm still waiting on that email for, Final Fantasy, 15. I've talked about it on my channel, but, you'll be seeing this video weeks after it, so it's kind of like one of those, you already know about it, so. But, yeah, by the time of this recording, I just had recently finally, started releasing the Star Fox videos, so.
Oh dear, more of them.
Okay, if I can remember... Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh. That is so funny. The way they just danced. But anyway. Gosh, dadgummit. I was doing fine, and then all of a sudden I decided to start recording, and then this is happening, so things are not looking good in my favor for some odd reason. I do not know why. It's not working. But yeah, Star Fox Zero I just had released. Okay.
All external bots
Don't mean to kind of be quiet all of a sudden whenever I was talking, but I need to kind of need to kind of get things under control if I am able to. Whoa! Oh, I got a new card. A new card. A new card. Yeah, gummy. There we go. Okay, those kind of remind me of the Grimer from Ghostbusters. I didn't get new cards all of a sudden. Damn. Probably a good thing too. Let's see. Oh yeah. At the time of this recording as well, E3 should be coming up, actually. Wow, Ubertron is already leveled up. Damn.
Thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon. Hello, sneaky aliens. You know what world you are on, Mr. Zircon?
And, I mean, I'm thinking about doing a video, an upcoming video of, like, top things I want to see in, at E3 this year. Mostly because I'm kind of wondering, like, what all we'll see. Because I've been hearing a lot of, rumors, going around. And one of them entailing of, what the frick? Why are there two of you? Okay, this could be a problem. There we go. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, really? I am running out of ammo. Come. Okay. But, at any rate, though. Okay, if I can do this. And nobody has to panic.
Looks like we got all.
Okay.
Hopefully now they put the race back on.
Alright. Gosh, buddy. Let's see. Can I get on here? Yeah, I knew it. Okay. Ah, crap. I was trying to get on there. Okay, let's try this again.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Alrighty. I'm trying to get over there. Because if I remember correctly, the way this, planet is, there's a gold bolt over there. So... I mean, I'm not going to get all of the secrets, but I will try my damnedest. If I can. Doesn't mean I will, but I'll do what I can. Especially on my first playthrough. Okay, let's just go this way. Okay. Yep, right there. I knew it. At least this game makes it easier for me to grab them. So long as I have the right stuff. Oh, man, I'm running out of ammo really quickly. Where, oh! No! Okay. Disco party. There we go, that worked. I ran out of ammo relatively quickly. Okay. Whew, gosh. That was a war and a half. Man. But we're good. We should be good now. Whoa. I keep doing that. I keep forgetting about the stupid little, mine,
It looks like the city is now a me-boy.
Guess I can turn it up now.
And we have two citizens to thank, Ratchet and Clank. The race is back on, so stay tuned for updates.
Yep. Alrighty. So we get to meet Glitch Booblade.
Hey, I'm Starlene. Are you here for the race?
You know it.
Enthusiasm. I like it. All right, head inside. The first race starts in a few minutes.
You look extremely different right now. A lot more different than you did in the original.
On your mark. Get set. Go!
Oh, okay. My bad.
This Lombax comes to us from Belden's Kizzle Plateau. This is his first time on Rilgar, so let's give him a warm welcome.
Warm welcome or death penalty?
It is boost meter filled. Ratchet activated the hoverboard's nitrous.
Oh my, that didn't work. Ooh, I got a gold bolt already? Damn. I'm actually surprised. Probably a good thing this game does have a lot of different
Offered a tactical advantage to any racer who passed
different things in the game.
would put the hoverboard
Like,
above
yeah, it may be a remake, but it's definitely feels like the original game itself.
Just received word from Skip McMarx's rest.
Whoa, this is not...
A minor injury.
Okay.
Ground at what misfortune.
Never really cared much for the hoverboard race.
Full recovery.
Mostly because I suck at racing in general. Then again, I'm not really good at skateboarding either, so...
Look at him go.
And I know I could probably do tricks that could give me more points, but right now, my mind is kind of concentrating on, like, how to hoverboard, and so far it is not working for my advantage.
Ratchet takes the lead.
There we go. How you doing? Oh crap!
The boost pad.
Just nailed it.
Nice work. You're the first Lombax to ever win a race.
I think I'm the only Lombax.
Come back anytime. They're always giving away cool prizes here. Perks to being sponsored by Gadgetron.
Really?
We can race for the Silver Cup. Of course, we probably have better things to do.
We got time. Why not, right?
Get ready, racers. On
I mean, it may not be good, but
go.
we'll try.
And favorites.
And there are bombs. Yeah. Let's increase the difficulty by putting TNT in the race.
Let's find out.
All the more reason for me to be careful and not try to blow up. Maybe that might explain why all the contestants were in hospitals and stuff, because of bombs!
Blast forward.
And I thought Dread Zone was crazy.
Get dangerous.
I love Dread Zone. Oh crap! I'm getting a little bit too happy. I'm getting a little bit too jumpy.
This is just a reminder that viewers are not permitted on the course. Yes, we see you, and please put your shirt back on.
Okay. I shouldn't have heard that last sentence. Oh crap, I thought I was gonna blow up. Oh god. This is not easy. Okay. Alright then. Gotta try to regain position here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it didn't really hurt me, actually. It slowed me down, yeah, but it didn't really hurt.
My sponsor's down?
I have got to get the lead on. My chance. Win the silver cup.
Wow, that was awesome. Enjoy your prize. You earned it.
So what's my prize? Just
Yes,
bolts.
we qualified for the gold cup. So tempting.
You know what? Screw it. Why not, right? We'll go for the gold cup in just
wanna
a
race
sec.
again?
Because I just realized there was a lot of bolts here. There we go.
Hey, wanna race again?
Yeah, give me just a sec and I'll race. Gosh. Are you always this hasty? Okay, let's go for the gold and see
wanna
what we
race
can
again?
do.
Get ready, racers. On your mark. Get set. Go! And they're off. Just a little background on some of our racers today.
That makes... That shouldn't be too bad. Some of them are actually just laid down, so it's just more or less like the silver cup, except a little bit more... a little bit easier to map around. Oh, yep, that didn't work as well as I had hoped. Okay, this part might be just a little bit tricky. Not easy. Maybe I shouldn't have gone for the gold cup. Did I just hear the proto pet? I did, didn't I?
Look at him go. That boost pad really gave him a boost. Underdog Ratchet is now in second place. Did he catch up in time?
Yep. Just might. Close. Oh, damn.
Ratchet takes the lead.
Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, crap. Second place.
Ratchet. Better luck next time.
One more. I'll go one more.
Aw, sorry, but come back anytime and give it another try.
Yeah, I'm giving it just a... I'm going for it. I'm going for it.
Get ready, racers. On your mark. Get set. Go! Fan favorites, Ratchet and Clank are back. Can they repeat the same magic we saw during our last competition? Let's find out. Ratchet blasts forward at incredible speed. This could get dangerous. Just a reminder that viewers are not permitted on the course. Yes, we see you, and please put your shirt back on. That boost pad really gave him a boost. Underdog Ratchet is now in second place. Can he catch up in time?
You better believe I am.
What is this, your first time?
Oh, shut up.
Ratchet takes the lead.
Don't need to screw this up. Yeah! What a rush!
Holy wowzers, you're like amazing. You should think about going pro.
Whew. Ooh. Oh, was that a rhino? Let's take a look at it then. Wrong button. Yeah, that was a rhino.
There you go. A complete set.
So that was a rhino card. Awesome. Really? I knew that I knew that getting the rhino would be different this time around. But oh my gosh. The rhino. I'm going for it. It may take a lot, but I am going for it. So let's see. Got a lot of duplicates, so let's go ahead. Oh. Alrighty. Alright. That's good. I think. Oh, well, didn't mean for that to happen. Yeah. Hey, what's that? Oh, a hollow card. Seeing now we have to go through the sewers if I'm... Oh, do I? Yay! Let's go ahead and do that real quickly before I end the episode. Because I realize what time it is now, and makes for an episode, thankfully, so...
You've got some hoverboard skills. I could use someone like you. Come see me and let's talk business. I ain't saying where I am, but the sewers under this here city, yeah, they're pretty interesting, don't you think?
Okay.
I did it.
I hear you on that.
You won't regret it. Have fun with your new pixelizer.
I will. I will. Okay, so yeah. Next episode, we will go to the sewers, actually. So yeah, until then, this is Blockcross signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.